Hello again. Welcome to Story Tiki Read Alouds. If you remember, last time we had read this book, The Dawn Chorus. This is a story about a nightingale who wants to join the dawn chorus which sings in the morning. So today it is time for a birdie craft. Are you ready? Let's go. To make the birdie craft, we need an A4 size sheet, a black sketch pen, a pair of scissors, a pencil, a glue stick and an eraser in case we go wrong. And we need assorted color crayons. So let's begin. Take the A4 sheet and fold it from top to bottom like this. On the A4 sheet, after it's folded, we are going to make the outline of the bird. Make big flappy wings so that the effect comes out better. We are now going to cut it along the outlines. You could also first do the coloring of the bird. So we are going to give the bird an eye on this side and we will do it on the other side after we finish cutting. You could make the outline of the bird. With the sketch pen and maybe give a few detailing for the wings. With the scissors, we are now going to cut along the outline on both sides. There. Our bird is actually ready. We fold the wings down, one this way and the other side down on the other side. Make the eye on the other side and detail the wings and the beak on the other side as well. So this is actually our bird which is ready and it actually can fly. Hold the bird in the middle here and the bird can actually flap its wings on its own if you push it up and down. So now what remains is to color the bird. Use an assortment of crayons to make a colorful bird, or if you have a particular bird in mind, you could even make that bird. Since we did the nightingale story, I am going to make my bird a combination of brown and peach. But you could make your bird in any color that you want for any bird, any kind of bird that you want. Make the outlines with the black sketch pen to give it a more neater effect. So I have finished coloring the bird. We are now going to stick the head and the beak part alone. So put the glue only on the beak and the head part. And stick it. And now your bird is ready to fly. Let it soar. Thank you for watching. Till the next story. Bye.